Welcome to the latest edition of Engineering Maintenance Solutions. In this episode, we explore the technologies transforming industrial maintenance across Europe. From artificial intelligence and predictive maintenance to smarter asset management, CMMS software, inventory optimization, and the latest engineering innovations, we'll show how today's maintenance professionals are increasing reliability while reducing costs and downtime. Whether you're responsible for manufacturing, utilities, infrastructure, or critical industrial assets, this edition is packed with ideas that can help improve performance across your entire operation. Thank you for joining us. Let's begin the program. Our cover feature focuses on SAP for Asset and Service Management Europe 2026, one of Europe's leading events dedicated entirely to intelligent asset and field service management. Taking place in Seville this October, the conference brings together maintenance leaders, SAP users and technology specialists to explore how digital transformation is delivering measurable business value. Rather than discussing future possibilities, the event showcases practical case studies from organizations already benefiting from artificial intelligence, predictive maintenance, and intelligent asset management. One major theme running throughout the conference is the growing importance of data. Today's industrial facilities generate enormous amounts of operational information. The challenge is no longer collecting the data, it's turning that data into decisions. Delegates will also discover how AI is improving maintenance planning, reducing unplanned downtime, and helping engineers move away from reactive maintenance towards predictive and condition-based strategies. Field service management also plays a major role, with connected workforces, mobile technologies, and smarter workflows helping engineers deliver better service while improving operational efficiency. For maintenance professionals looking to maximize the value of SAP, this conference promises valuable insight into the future of intelligent maintenance. Energy infrastructure presents unique maintenance challenges. Aging assets, increasing demand, strict compliance requirements, and the transition towards renewable energy all require smarter maintenance strategies. This edition explores how modern computerized maintenance management systems, or CMMS platforms, are becoming the digital backbone of maintenance operations. Solutions such as PMAX CMMS help organizations move from reactive maintenance towards preventative and predictive strategies. By combining maintenance planning with industrial Internet of Things technologies, engineers gain real-time visibility into equipment condition. Sensors monitor vibration, temperature, and pressure continuously, allowing maintenance teams to intervene before failures occur. The result is increased uptime, improved safety, better compliance, and significantly lower operating costs. As energy systems become increasingly complex, effective maintenance management has never been more important. One of the highlights of this edition is our exclusive interview with Donald Bork, Managing Director of Alico Asset Management. His message is refreshingly practical. Artificial intelligence is exciting. Predictive maintenance is transforming industry. But none of it works without solid maintenance fundamentals. According to Bork, organizations should focus first on building strong maintenance processes, high-quality asset data, and disciplined working practices. Only then can AI deliver meaningful business value. He explains that many organizations are investing in artificial intelligence before becoming truly AI-ready. Without reliable maintenance histories, structured asset hierarchies, and consistent data capture, even the most advanced AI systems struggle to produce useful recommendations. Another important distinction he makes is between AI-enhanced maintenance and AI-enabled maintenance. AI-enhanced organizations still rely on engineers to make the final decisions, with artificial intelligence assisting planning and analysis. AI-enabled organizations move further, allowing software to analyze historical failures, identify recurring patterns, and generate maintenance recommendations automatically. The future, he believes, isn't about replacing people. It's about helping skilled maintenance professionals make better decisions faster. Inventory optimization is becoming another major area where artificial intelligence is delivering rapid returns. Parts Control demonstrates how AI can analyze maintenance systems, ERP software, purchasing records, and technical documentation simultaneously. Instead of relying on static reports, engineers receive intelligent recommendations that identify excess inventory, obsolete stock, alternative suppliers, and opportunities for cost reduction. The platform also allows organizations to ask natural language questions directly to their maintenance data, making information instantly accessible across the business. For organizations carrying millions of pounds in spare parts, these technologies represent significant opportunities for savings. This edition also highlights an impressive real-world success story. A global food manufacturer was carrying tens of millions of pounds worth of spare parts across multiple manufacturing sites. Much of that inventory had remained untouched for years. Using Parts Control's AI platform, maintenance data from across the organization was analyzed, highlighting unnecessary stock, duplicated inventory, and opportunities for sharing assets between sites. Within just 2 weeks, verified savings exceeded the cost of the software itself. The lesson is clear. Artificial intelligence doesn't simply automate maintenance. It reveals hidden opportunities that would otherwise remain buried inside years of operational data. As always, Engineering Maintenance Solutions also showcases the latest products and technologies from across the maintenance industry. Readers will discover innovations in industrial doors, safety equipment, heavy haulage monitoring, condition monitoring, predictive maintenance, sensors, maintenance software, asset management solutions, and much more. Each technology shares a common objective: improving reliability, increasing productivity, reducing downtime, and helping maintenance teams do more with less. Thank you for watching this latest edition of Engineering Maintenance Solutions. If you've enjoyed this program, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to Engineering Solutions TV, and click the notification bell so you never miss future engineering updates. You can read the complete digital edition, along with previous issues and the latest engineering news, at engineeringmaintenance.info. Until next time, stay safe, stay innovative, and keep engineering the future.